video, I'm going to share with you a really easy way of making money online that you've never seen before. And while you already know that I can't legally make you any guarantees or promises, I can tell you that we have in fact had people who had never made a dime in an online business before.
About the 12-minute affiliate program. I started a program about a week and a half ago. I set the program up myself. I did everything. There was a checklist. I went through the checklist. It took me less than an hour to set everything up. And about 2 days later, I started seeing results.
John Martin's here from Toronto, Canada with a shout out to Devon Brown and 12-minute affiliate system.
The 12-minute affiliate system is super easy to use and the staff is really helpful.
And so what you have with the 12 minutes affiliate program is a system you can just switch on and you get going. Everything, including traffic, is done for you. I did my setup myself, it was very easy to set up, and within the first 1 week I have generated 7 sales from it. You know why? Because it's a no-brainer.
When it comes to starting an internet business, there's nothing easier than the 12-minute affiliate system.
Now, I've been in affiliate marketing now for about 2 years, and to be frank, I've kind of struggled. I've struggled with which stuff to pick to promote, how to do it, and what are the steps. And man, this 12-minute affiliate program just makes it so darn easy. Once I joined, I did the setup all myself. I did it in literally like an hour, hour and a half. And I did it in a place where the internet connection was just simply not that great.
I did not do the setup. I had Devon and his team do the setup for me, and within a few days I started seeing results. If you want, you can have you can also get your traffic, and also an email sequence can be set up for you, so even a newbie can do it. So basically, like I said, it's a business in a box. Everything is in there.
If you're a newbie to internet marketing at all, I don't know exactly what to do, this is a program to be a part of.
This is the business for you.
And I'm seeing results, which is something you can do too. You can see results in this program. All you have to do is sign up. Just get going with the program.
All I can say is make the move, take the plunge, get started building this business for your success and peace of mind.
All the system does is help you make just one affiliate sale a month. You can be in profit. And you're even protected by our no questions asked money back guarantee. So, what are you waiting for?